Hold on. I want one on an EPL. Oh, I really have one. Man City now win the title already. Me not think them have the trophy locked up in them cabinet already, man. They not that me hear all of the big experts and the pundits and the analysts say, big bad Manchester City with the big bad tactical genius Pep Guardiola with the endless money bag. 12-point lead. No down to 3. Well on there. Then I wish little side that a pressure Man City. I wish little side. I wish little coach. Oh, we can't see. What defense a black me? Oh, a Liverpool. Yes. And a man named Klopp. Yes. And them a Pep and City a run on the spot. Yes. No. This is just a little blip. The genius Pep Guardiola. So wave the magic checkbook and spend another £1 billion and solve the problem. Yes. And if that don't work, he will wave the checkbook again and get another £1 billion and another £1 billion and another £1 billion. In the meantime, make the Maverick go and peep through the 80-yard fence and see what hold on there. Oh, Pep look nervous, so, like all confidence gone. All the fans them look for me. You will have the fans.